Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 clock app not working problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Background apps permission, select Always. Click Repair, if same error still exists, reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Copy second command from description and paste it. Third method is open Microsoft Store. Click Library, click Update all application. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.